How to think in English and speak better. Welcome to ZYLOS English. If you want to speak English well, this lesson will help you. We will talk about a big problem for many learners: translating in your head. When you translate from your own language, speaking is slow. It can make you feel less sure of yourself. It also leads to mistakes. It is much better to think directly in English. You can learn to do this. There are 4 easy stages. Let's start. Stage 1. Think in verbs, action words. First, we will focus on verbs. Verbs are action words like run, eat, or see. We start with verbs because we see action all around us. Imagine you are in a park. What are people doing? Some people are walking. A dog is running. Children are playing. Think of these action words in English. You can do this practice anywhere. Practice tip: take 5 minutes every day. Look around you and think of the verbs for the actions you see. This is a great way to start thinking in English. Stage 2. Think in nouns, naming things. Next, let's think about nouns. Nouns are words for people, places, and things. Everything around you has a name. Look around the park again. You see a dog, a ball, and trees. At home, you see a table, a chair, and a book. When you see something, try to think of the English noun for it. Practice tip: spend a few minutes each day naming things in English. The more you do this, the faster the English words will come to you. Stage 3. Think in sentences, putting words together. Now, let's put verbs and nouns together. It's time to think in short, simple sentences. Don't worry about making them long or hard. Look at the park again and think. The dog is running. The children are playing. A man is reading a book. These are simple sentences. They are also full ideas. When you practice this, your brain learns to make sentences on its own. This helps you speak more smoothly. Practice tip: for 10 minutes each day, describe what you see in short sentences. If you are in a cafe, you can think, a man is drinking coffee. A woman is using a phone. Stage 4. Think in paragraphs, telling a story. The last stage is to think in paragraphs. This means connecting your simple sentences to tell a small story or describe a scene with more detail. Imagine you are at a market. You can think, the market is busy. Many people are shopping. I can smell the food. The colors of the fruit are bright. I hear people talking and laughing. Now you are not just seeing things, you are telling a story in your head. Practice tip: at the end of the day, think about your day in a short paragraph. For example, today was a good day. I woke up and ate breakfast. I went to work. Then I met a friend. Why this is so important? When you practice these 4 stages, you teach your brain to stop translating. Your thoughts will start in English. This will make your speaking faster and smoother. You will feel more confident. This helps in all situations, from talking with friends to giving a speech at work. Simple ways to practice. Here are some easy ways to practice every day. Look around you. For 10 minutes, describe what you see using verbs, nouns, and simple sentences. Use pictures. Find a photo. Describe everything you see in the photo in English. Write a little. Each night, write 1 or 2 sentences in English about your day. Talk to yourself. Talk about your day or your plans out loud in English. It feels a little weird at first, but it works very well. Use a timer. Set a timer for 5 minutes. During that time, try to think only in English. Your path to speaking well. Learning to think in English takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself. The most important thing is to do it every day, even for just a few minutes. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Soon, you will be thinking in English without even trying. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.